Buddy? Is that car parts in my living room? Why is there car parts in the living room, bud? Hey, buddy.
Oh, you filming a vlog?
Shh.
Vlogging with Mom. What are you doing?
Shh. Okay, guys, so I told you guys that I had a big announcement coming, and I am finally able to share it with you guys because my husband is home with it. I was on my own for almost 5 days with just the baby and I, and it was a long 5 days with no help. But so here it is. Hopefully you guys can see it. Timber, hush. We bought a service truck. And by we, I mean I helped pay for it, and he's starting his own business. We've discussed doing something like this for a while, and it needs some work because we paid cash for it, and it's not fancy, but it is a nice truck. It's a 99 7.3 liter diesel F450. There is some damage on the door right here. He's actually gonna be checking out to see if he can get this door fixed here pretty soon. Timber, hush. But it's dirty, but it's a pretty nice truck. It's in good shape other than, you know, normal wear and tear. Being that it is 21 years old, it needs a lot of interior work, and at the beginning of the video you saw that the flooring that was in here is actually, it's in our living room drying off because he pressure washed it. Hey, Timber. Timber can't be quiet. So the roof was leaking, so he took that was the headliner that was in the house. The flooring, he ordered a new one. He couldn't salvage it. But the roof was leaking, and so he replaced the cab lights and sealed them up. And he had an exhaust leak that he's in the middle of repairing right now, but because it's an early 99, he definitely has had a hard time finding parts for it. So it's pretty cool. We're pretty excited. He's gonna keep his job, and of course I'm gonna keep mine. And okay, side note, we need new seats for the truck. So if anybody knows of a good deal on new front seats for a 99 or newer F350, well, it's an F450, but I'm sure the F350 will fit too. But we need new seats, so you guys send me a link if you find anything good. Okay. So it was in some sort of accident. I don't know what happened, but it was hit right here. And Timber, hush, Timber. The dogs. It doesn't matter where I shoot a video at home, the dogs are always right there. Of course, you know, we've got the typical cooler, the Vice, Arizona license plate. You know, this is just perfect right here. I mean, you know, it's a typical 21-year-old vehicle. He did have to buy 2 new tires and replace those. He did it in the driveway at his parents' house in Phoenix. Compressor, no welder, but he's gonna get one. And the main thing that he wanted was a crane to make sure that he could lift all the things that that he has to for working on stuff in the field. We're pretty excited. I'm really excited. I'm really proud of him. It's taken me years to talk him into doing this. So, pretty cool. He's gonna keep his job, and do this on the side, and so it's going to take a lot of effort for me to, you know, make sure that he's covered and you know, help take care of the kids and that kind of stuff so that he can make extra money when I'm not at work. But that's it, and I'm pretty excited. So here's the new tires that he put on in Arizona, because he didn't think that the other two that were in the back of the truck there would make it home. The guy has, oh, I don't have two hands. Gotta hold the camera. But he's got everything labeled. I'm sure Bobby will take those off. This side's a lot nicer than the other side. The other side's damaged, but it's pretty exciting. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this risk goes well and we're successful. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.